Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to fix your WhatsApp not open problem. So let's begin our video. So first you need to open your Play Store and then go type for WhatsApp. Then you need to check out your WhatsApp is updated or not. There you can see my WhatsApp Messenger is updated. So first step already done. You need to go now for second step. So for that you need to go your phone settings, open your phone settings, then scroll down and you need to find out apps or apps management option. But my phone have only apps. Just open these apps, then go to manage apps. Okay, now you need to go the search bar and type WhatsApp. Then on the bottom you can see option clear data. Select it. Then you need to select clear cache. Then OK. That's it. Now you can open your WhatsApp Messenger and then you can see your WhatsApp already working. So in this way you can fix or you can solve your WhatsApp not open problem. Hope guys